In this session, we are going to look at GoTo option. So GoTo option, the shortcut key is Control G. Okay, so using GoTo option, you can go to any cell. Now I want to go to A1. So this is a reference. So let me press A1. It will go to A1. So in case if I want to go to C 50,000, Control G, C 50,000. In case if I again want to go back to C1, Control G, C1. So you can navigate to any part of the cell using GoTo. Also in GoTo, we have some other options. Control G. So this is a special. Just click this. So here few options like nodes, constant and formulas, blank. We don't use all the option, but let me take you through the option which we use frequently. Okay, so let's start with note. The note is nothing but comments. So let me insert few comments here. So here I have comments. Okay, so let me hide this. So I'll copy this comment, I'll paste it in few places. Let me go to paste special. I'll paste the comments. Okay, so now the first option is note, which we have seen in GoTo option. Okay, now I want to select all the cell which has comments. Okay, so assume here we have one small table, so here you can easily select. Assume in case if you have 10,000 or 20,000 line item data, so it's very difficult to select each and every cell, right? So here let me select all the cells, Control G, go to special and select note. So now if you see, it selected only the place where you have comment. So other cell it won't select. So if you want to color, let me color this. See it colored only the selected cell. So this is the first option. And the second option is constant. So constant is nothing but the place where you don't have formulas. So in this cell I have formula only in the total column. Okay, let me put some more formula here. Okay, so now let me choose all the data, Control G, special, and let me choose constant. So now what I want to choose is, using constant I can choose the place where I don't have formula. Okay, if you see, it selected all the cell except the place where we have formula. So this all we have formula, and here also we have formula, so it got excluded. So now I want to choose only the place where I have formula. Okay, so again let me choose the data, Control G, special, and then I'll choose formula. Okay, in formula also you have a few classification, whether it's a logical or text or number, it can be any formula. So let me choose everything and let's press OK. So now if you see, so it selected only the place where we have formula. So other cells are not selected. Okay, so then next option, blank cells. Okay, in case I have few blank cells here, so let me delete few blank cells. So let me select the data, Control G, so press S to go to special and press K to go to blank. Okay, so here if you see in this box, so if you want to know the shortcuts, like you can see the small underline below the text, right? So in case if the underline is under N, so then N is the shortcuts. So now for the blank, so you have to press K because there is a line under the K. Okay, so now let me choose blank cell. So now if you see, so only the blank cell got selected in this range. Okay, the next option, current region. So current region is nothing but, so wherever you have data without any gap, okay, in terms of row as well as column, so then it will select the current region. Okay, current region, the shortcut is Control A, so that's a current region. So in GoTo option, special, current region. So if you see, the data has been selected. Why this data has not been selected? Because there is a complete gap between this and this. So in case if I keep my cursor and go to current region, let me select current region, then it will select only this data because there is a gap between this and this, so it will not select. Okay, so now let me go to option. So last cell, so we already have a shortcut, it's control end to go to last cell. So if you press control N, it will directly go to the last cell. And in case if you have data validation, okay, conditional formatting you want to select, so all these things you can do, but we very rarely use this. Okay, also I'll teach you another option using GoTo. Okay, so now I have a date here. Okay, so let me give one small scenario. So let me transpose this date. Okay, so now let me insert few blank cells. Okay, so I'm using shortcuts. These shortcuts already covered in the previous session, so that's the reason I'm not repeating. Okay, so now I got the data here. Now what I want is, I want to fill the data. So when I say fill, so I want to fill Monday to be here, Tuesday to be here, and Wednesday to be here. Okay, and Thursday to be here, and Friday to be here. So I want to fill the data till the time I get the new data. Okay, so again here also similar thing. So I want to fill the data till the time I reach to the new data. Okay, to do that we use GoTo option. First select the data, then use Control G, then special. So here where I want to update the data, I want to update in the blank cell. So first choose the blank cell. So now you have chosen the blank cells. Now what data you want to update? So I want whatever data is there in the top, that to be applied in the bottom. So to do that, press equal to. So I want the top data, so just select the top data. Okay, and don't press enter, just hold control and enter, because if you just press enter, the data gets updated only for that particular cell. It will not get updated for all the cells. So if you want to update the data for the selected cell, you should always use control and enter. So let me do it again. Special, first select the blank data and equal to, and I want that above data should be pasted to the bottom. So choose the data and hold the control and press enter. So now if you see, so whatever data we have on the top, so that has been filled in the bottom. Similarly for Tuesday, similarly for other days. Nice trick, right? Let's try. Let's move to next option.